This is Engineering Marvels. Remember the popular Calvin and Hobbes comic strip? In one edition, while Calvin and his family traveled over a bridge, he wondered about a sign stating the maximum allowable truck weight. Calvin's father replied that engineers drove larger and larger trucks across a bridge until it collapsed. The mental picture of such folly makes for a good punchline, but falls well short of explaining how it's really done. The basic goal of structural engineering is to design a structure to meet any demand it's likely to see in its lifetime. Structural design begins, not ends, with an estimate of loads. To create this estimate, structural engineers have to consider dead, live, and environmental loads. Dead load refers to the weight of the structure and all its permanent components. For a bridge, this would include the weight of the concrete or asphalt roadway deck, any traffic barriers, the girders supporting the deck, and the piers supporting the girders. The weight of all these components is referred to as dead load because it's unlikely to change over time. Live loads refer to things that can change in magnitude and location, such as the weight of people, movable objects, or vehicles. Cars driving over a bridge are an example of moving loads, but more stationary objects, such as furniture and filing cabinets, can also change location over time as rooms are repurposed. Next, structural engineers must consider environmental loads, such as earthquake, wind, rain, and snow. Environmental loads depend largely on geography. For example, engineers in South Texas design structures with high wind loads but fairly low snow loads. Existing professional codes provide a basis for calculating all of these loads, which then leads to a preliminary design of the structure's components. It's a long road from this initial design to the sort of completed structure that can spark precocious questions from a 6-year-old with or without a stuffed tiger. Engineering Marvels is a joint production of the Frank H. White College of Engineering at Texas A&M University Kingsville and South Texas Public Radio. Past episodes are available online at tamuk.edu/engineering. I'm Jason Martin.